The spark plug is the key to starting the combustion event in the cylinder. Without the ignition of the air-fuel mixture in the cylinder, the combustion process will not occur. Spark plugs are simple conductors of electricity, from the ignition coil to ground. This process is very simple, but can cause a large issue if it does not operate correctly. As the high voltage comes through the ignition coil, through the spark plug boot or high-tension wiring, it must travel down the terminal through the resistor, copper core, and then through the electrode at the end. Once the power is at the electrode near the ground electrode, the high voltage will jump the gap from the electrode to the ground electrode. This jump will generate a spark that will ignite the fuel-air mixture and cause the combustion event to start. The purpose of insulator in the spark plug is to insulate the high voltage from the metal casing that screws into the cylinder head. This metal casing completes the ground path for the high voltage that is generated by the ignition coil. If the spark plug becomes loose or the insulator breaks, the path to ground becomes unobstructed, and the high voltage finds a path to ground without jumping the gap from the electrode to the ground strap. Depending on the application, the need for multiple ground straps is required to help completely ignite the fuel mixture. Some applications require multiple ground electrodes based on the design of the cylinder and piston.